single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Chenelle Beauty, and I'm coming back with another haul slash video. And this haul is on Mad Rag Boutique. It's very similar to like an Agassi or Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. They sell like very light clothes like that, but it's just very bomb.com. I think they have a lot of unique pieces, and I do have one like an actual walk-in store in my area, so you know I always love this store, and I decided to go and purchase myself a few little items. I am trying to slowly revamp my closet. It's time for me to get some new clothes, and also just wanted to kind of spend some money on me because I've been doing nothing but beauty. Okay, so y'all stay tuned to the haul that I have coming up. Alright, so the first items I got was an outfit, and I just love this outfit. You know, it may get cold. We're supposed to be having, I stay in Florida, so you know, if you haven't known, I do stay in Florida. It doesn't get cold often, but we is supposed to be having a cold front coming this weekend. So far it's not cold, but I did get this nice comfortable outfit for days that I do get cold, and or like I go to the studio or something like that. So I got this cute little jacket. Then it comes with a nice hood in the back. That's like perfect for like when it rains and things like that, with some cute sneakers. So I did get this. This jacket costs $19.99 by itself, but it also comes with the pants. Of course, you had to get the pants to go with it, and they are both drawstring. Both the shirt, the jacket, and the pants are both drawstring. So I do have the pants that go with it. I forgot what type of material they call this. This is not like jersey, but yeah, I forgot what they call it. But yeah, I got the pants to go with it, honey. And it comes with, like I said, the jacket. The jacket also in the front has a very large pocket, and it actually is like an actual pocket. Like, you know how sometimes they be like mad flaw with clothes, like they be trying to make it seem like it's something that is not. But this is an actual pocket, so like if I wanted to, I could put like my keys and my phone and just like carry this, and with no purse. Like I don't need no purse with this. So I love this, and like I said, it has drawstrings at the bottom, so you can make it tight if you wanted to kind of fit your tummy, or you can just leave it loose or whatever if you wanted to do that type of swag. But yeah, I got the pants and the jacket. The pants I think was $16.99 and the jacket was $19.99. So yeah, that's what I picked up. I also picked up, and I know this is not real Fendi. I actually wasn't even thinking about this when I seen this dress, but I just thought it was cute. I did get this faux Fendi dress, and I just thought it was cute. Like I didn't even think about it until I like purchased it and got it home. I was like, hey, this do kind of look like that, but you know, I love the sleeves and things like that. But I just thought this was like a cute dress, so you know, I'm gonna wear it. Like period. Like I'm gonna wear it. It's like mad cute. So I think this dress was like $14, like $12.99, $14.99. Yeah, so the next item I got was this very comfortable outfit, and I'm starting to get really into this type of stuff because I'm just at a point some days I just want to be comfortable, or if I go to the studio, because I do rap. If you haven't known, check out my page, Lady Tigga, LADITIGGAH, and my Instagram. And I just wanted to get something that was like mad comfortable, so I ended up in two, like, I don't have any lime outfits, like, and I always wanted to do the slime stuff on my caption, so now I can finally do it. And I got these cute lime biker shorts. Cute, and it fits so cute and it's so comfortable. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I got these cute shorts, and I also got this nice little tank to go with it. I gotta be careful though with these straps because they look like they'll pop over anything. So I got this cute shirt to go with the biker shorts. As you can see, the brand Mad Rag. If y'all don't have a Mad Rag in y'all area, y'all missing out. Y'all better go see if they got an online shop because They are bomb.com. I actually still have the tag on this outfit. So for this shirt, I paid $3.99. And like I said, it's a tank top, cotton, spandex, whatever you want to call it. Very comfortable. Just find maybe some cute tennis shoes that have like lime in it, like a little hint of lime, maybe like white or something. And for the shorts, I paid $12.99. So for the shirt, $3.99, shorts, $12.99. The brand to the shorts is called Daisy. And like I said, they biker shorts, come right above the knee. This brand is just Mad Rag, so for the shirt. But as you can see, it matches, so yeah. I got that. And the third outfit I got is this very cute, sophisticated outfit. Kind of reminds you of this dress that I got on, but yeah, it's just very cute and sophisticated, and I can wear it to work. So I got this shirt, very work related type shirt, and I paid $16.99 for this. $16.99 for this shirt. The brand is called Love University. Love University. At least that's what it says. So yeah, I got this cute shirt. It's a sweater material, so if it get kind of cold, like, it's still cute. Wear it with like a silver necklace, and I got some silver earrings that will look really cute, which reminds me that is also some other stuff I got from there. I did get this. I've been had this one, which is, it says star, but I did get this one that says money, and it comes with a $sign clip too, from Mad Rag as well. I think I paid like $4.99 for that 2-piece set or whatever. The white shirt from work. I did get these nice like dress pants. I think they call them like slacks, but it's like a skinny leg at the end. And I did get these to go with this sweater shirt. And I just think it's so cute and sophisticated, and like when I want to dress up, wear it with some black pumps or whatever. But it is like pinstripe, checkerboard, very cute. At the ends it folds. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it folds. And I paid for the pants $16.99 as well. So $16.99 for the sweater shirt, $16.99 for the pants, and they fit so cute. Like I said, I did do a vlog, if I haven't mentioned this already, of me going to Mad Rag and the hair store, which is my other video, showing this wig and just letting y'all know more about the wig and everything. So I do have a vlog for that. I don't know if I'm going to post the vlog before or after this video, but yeah. So the last thing as far as clothes I got, oh well, this is the second to last thing. I did also get some tights, because I mean, every girl needs some black tights. So yeah, they are very thick. I don't know if y'all can see that. Real thick, like, and real comfortable. So these are Perfect Fit Mad Rag, so that's the brand, tights, and they are ankle length, and I paid $5.99. You can't beat that. $5.99 for these tights. So yeah, I got that. And now the last thing in clothes, I think, oh no, this is not the last thing, I'm sorry y'all. I forgot that I even got this. I got like this muscle t-shirt. It's like a regular white t-shirt, but I'm gonna make it a muscle t-shirt, like just kind of slightly cut it, because I always wanted a white t-shirt like that. So I got this plain white shirt for that. Wear it with some dark blue jeans, probably cut up, and some cute shoes, and just accessorize it since it's a plain shirt. Really nice. I paid $3.99 for this shirt. You cannot beat that. And the brand is called Heart and Hips. That's a name. So yeah, I purchased that for $3.99. Make it into a muscle shirt where it's kind of like showing my side, and like a little side nipple, little side titty, little side breast. Yeah. So that's what I got that for. So the last item, I promise y'all this is the last item. The last item I got was this cute little dress that I was supposed to wear to an entrepreneur convention, but it ended up getting canceled. And I was gonna wear this with the tights that I got, the black tights with some heels. But yeah, it got canceled. So now I need to figure out where I'm going to wear this cute little cheetah print dress. Isn't it so cute, y'all? With the two little buttons in the front. And this brand is called Derek Love Hearts, or Derek, it's called Derek Heart. That's the brand. And I think I may have tore the tag off, but I think I only paid like maybe $14 to $16 for this dress. It's very cute. This is the back, and it comes, I want to say it comes like right at my knees. Yeah. And I was just gonna wear it with some tights because, you know, I kind of wanted to keep it a little bit sophisticated. So I was gonna wear it to that convention, but it ended up, I was gonna wear it to that convention. But it ended up getting canceled. So yeah, I need to find something else to wear it to that is kind of like in that type of realm. The accessories I got was, like I said, this money clip. Ooh, money clip. This money hair clip. And it came with this $sign hair clip. This also came from Mad Rag, and as you can see, it's $4.99. Don't know the brand, but I got that. And I also got these sets of earrings, $7.99. This is the Mad Rag brand. And the ones in the middle I'm going to wear with the sweater shirt because it got like white in it and it's like crystal. And I'll probably wear it with like this bracelet and like a cute silver necklace. So this is the shirt I'm speaking about, and wear it with like the ones in the middle. Isn't that cute? With like the striped pants or whatever. Yeah. So that's what I got as well. Here's my haul for Mad Rag Part 1 because I will be going back there hopefully soon. And I just wanted to show y'all what I picked up. I already got hauls on Victoria's Secret and also on Goodwill, which is my #1 store. You cannot beat Goodwill because ain't nobody walking around with your outfit. Yeah, I love Mad Rag as well. I'm gonna pick up me some new clothes. Yeah, I go to Mad Rag. So this is a haul that I did, and thank y'all so much for tuning in. It's your girl Chenelle Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with your family, your friends, and your boo thing. Y'all know how I get down. Thank y'all so much once again for watching. Please hit the bell so you can be notified for other videos, and I will see y'all in the next